All right, what's good, you guys? My name is Polo. Hope you're doing well. And today I have a request to check out Jethro, Tull, and the song is titled Locomotive Breath. This was in 1982. Okay. Now, before we get started, if you like this type of content, do me a big favor and like the video. If you want to stay up to date whenever I post, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Talk about an intro, and love the percussion, the way this track hits. All right, on all the chords, and then my man comes out with a really nice dance move, which I wasn't expecting. He's hitting it. Amazing.
Shuffling candles off the locomotive bridge. Runs the all-time loser and Tull is down when it feels a business grieving, steam breaking on his brow. Oh, Charlie, he stole the anthem, and the train won't stop going to slow down. Hey, oh, oh, oh. It sees his children jumping off the stations one by one. This woman count his best friend, been dead and having fun.
It's kind of freaking me out because you got this guy that is really incredibly talented. All right, just I don't know how much of a hand. Well, Jethro Tull is the name of the band, right? I don't know why in my mind I'm thinking that he's Jethro because he looks like a Jethro, but he also looks like the guy that starred in Home Alone. Okay, you know which one I'm talking about, the taller one. I don't know why, but it reminds me of that guy. So it's kind of freaking me out because here's this guy putting out this incredible music, and he's wild and crazy on stage, very free, but the music is like, wow. And he hasn't even started playing the flute yet.
It sees his children jumping off the stations one by one. This woman count his best friend, been dead and having fun. When he's rolling down the corridor on his hands and knees. Oh, Charlie, he stole the handle. And a train who won't stop, going to slow down. Hey. Oh, oh, oh.
That bam, 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 just has that superhero energy with it. Oh my goodness, we got to pause there. You know what I find pretty interesting is that he is the opposite of everything that you see a like lead character be for a band. You know, typically it's some super handsome, strong jawed, chiseled, dressed really nice, you know, type of guy out there. He goes out there looking homeless. All right. And then he has a flute, which, you know, I never played an instrument. I played a little bit of piano classes when I was a kid or whatever. Then I had to switch schools. But so I learned a few songs, but that was it. But from my understanding, the flute, according to American Pie, was one of the wussest instruments that you could pick to play. Like, what are you playing? The flute? All right. So his whole personality, just from his image, is like he's it's like a F you in the face. Like, he makes the flute like the coolest thing ever. Okay. I just, in my mind, I'm like, and so he's doing everything the complete opposite and just being wild and free on stage. And he's like super cool. And mind you, the band is doing incredible as well. The entire band is amazing. Okay. This is a great performance, but, you know, I'm just commenting on, you know, what I'm noticing, what's going through my mind as I'm listening to it. I didn't know a flute could be so badass.
There's a silent howling when he catches angels as they fall. And the all-time winner has got him by the balls when he picks up Gideon's Bible. Yes, it's open at page 1. I think that God, he stole the handle, and the train it was stop going to slow down. Hey! No way to slow down. No way to slow down.
I love the bass line from Where's Waldo here. Nice, smooth.
No way to slow down. 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 No way to slow down.
Are these guys pirates? That wasn't Coke. Jethro Tull, man, super cool band that just rocked the stage. Okay, and I don't know, I like the sound. Everything's a little bit unorthodox in terms of the traditional guitar lead and sing and everything else, versus this powerful music you feel like you can stump to. All right. Definitely playing in the Forerunner this summer. All right. And I would love to check out more from Jethro Tull. If you guys want to see it, let me know. Leave a comment, like the video, subscribe. The engagement helps the video grow, tells me to put out more and discover more music in this direction. And I thoroughly enjoy it. I like listening to music that I really, really like, and I really, really like this. So shout out to the person that requested this one. If you want to support the show, you can also buy a coffee in the link below. These music reactions are not monetized, most of them, so you guys power the show by buying a coffee or hitting up the Patreon directly, where you can also contact me directly and catch content that doesn't make my YouTube channel. A lot of times you guys make requests. Some of them are already done, and you can find them on Patreon. I appreciate you guys for watching. Peace.
Yeah! Look what I have created!